What is up guys, Stan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Affirm on Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Stripe. And after typing, you will see the first official website of Stripe. Just click on this website. After clicking, you will be redirected to the dashboard of Stripe. But remember, guys, if you are new to Stripe, you first have to sign in with your email and password, and then you will be able to access the dashboard of Stripe. Now, after coming to the dashboard, on the right side, you can see the option of settings on the top on the right side. Click on this settings icon. Now, after coming on to the settings, you can see the option of product settings. Under this product settings, you have the button of payments. Click here on payments, and after coming to the payments, click on payment methods on the top. Now, after coming into payment methods, as you can see, here are some multiple payment methods. Just scroll down a bit. Here you will find the Affirm section. I am actually currently facing some issues with Stripe, so that's why it's not showing me. But if you are in Canada or US, it will show you, or you can just simply type in the filter in under the popular in, you can just select the Canada and US and then it will appear. So this is how you can use Affirm on Stripe, and make sure guys to turn on the Affirm section to use Affirm on Stripe. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.